How would you advise a learner driver prepare for their first driving lesson?
Oh, well, it is a nervous and daunting experience. You don't know who you're going to be expecting. You know, someone like me might turn up and you might think, oh my God, this guy's going to eat me alive. I am very nice. As soon as they step in, I'll start off with a joke or something, have them laughing. And by the end of the lesson, they're so relaxed and so comfortable that they want to see me again. And some of them don't even want to leave the car sometimes. You got to get them out because you got to go on to the next pupil who's waiting for you eagerly. But yeah, it can be nervous. You can be nervous. I would say stay relaxed. Have faith and trust in the instructor that's turning up to you. Give them a chance. Most of them do know what they're doing, especially with mock driving tests. We use approved driving instructors, so we all go through a test every 4 years. We've all been vetted. We all have had training. We've all spent plenty of money in training. We go through every year. We go through a certain amount of courses to keep our knowledge up to date. So yeah, have faith in us, trust in us, and the biggest thing is also have faith in yourself as well. Sometimes you can sell yourself short, which you shouldn't. Anyone can drive. I mean, I've got a wife who's been trying to learn for 20 years, and if I can get her to drive, I'm sure anyone else can. So, yeah.